What's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. I'm gonna do a real quick video on this 2008 LTZ 66 Duramax. I'm gonna do a full video on it tomorrow, but this is just gonna be a quick one. I had a lot of requests for this truck. We finally got it finished up in service and through our detail department, so it's now ready for sale. This is a 08. I think the mileage is 115. Again, this is a fully loaded LTZ. So leather, heated seats. I believe it's even got cooled seats. Frame, perfect, no rust. We did plenty of service to it as well, so it's fully up to date on service. Mechanically, the truck is super nice. Body, zero rust. Undercarriage, zero rust. You can see the paint reflection. The paint is beautiful. Very minor damage here and there. Nothing, I probably can't even point it out in the video. Maybe a few rock chips here or there. Yeah, I mean, I don't even really see much walking around. All these videos are shot in 1080p, so there's a small little ding right there on the door. A couple small rock chips here and there. That's about it. Again, this is a fully loaded LTZ, so top of the food chain for a Chevrolet. Here's a quick shot of the interior. Finished off in the beautiful tan leather. Interior is really nice too. A couple small, probably small spots on the driver's side, just normal wear. Factory TV, DVD, factory navigation, amp step rails, 6 inches of lift, 35s. It's running a set of fuels. All the upgrades will be listed on my website. So if you got any questions, go to my website direct, www.DLUX-motorsports.com. That's spelled DLUX-motorsports.com. You can also give us a call direct, 540-898-1300. Any of my out-of-state guys that are looking to buy a Duramax, this is a perfect one if you're up north and you don't like